Hello and welcome back. So this video is an unboxing of some Beebeecraft items that I chose and I'm going to make some things out of. So I am here to share with you what I chose and yeah, so you can see if you would like any of these things. I will list each item, each item's link, and then also the link to the website for you in the description. So let's dig in to see these fun things I got. Okay, first thing I got was these, which I have been waiting for because I need them for a swap that I am in that I wanted to use some of these to make some dangles. So anyway, I got this pack. Panda Holly lead, it says. So it's got a comes in a little box, and it has 5 different sizes of gold and silver of the little ribbon clasps. So those will be fun to use. I can't wait to use those. I had some, but I only had like one size, and actually they weren't straight. They were like a rounded, which is pretty, but I didn't want them on everything. So anyway, yeah, I wanted the straight ones and I wanted some gold ones, so I got those. So that's the first thing. Next thing, let me see if I can get this. This came in a little box also, and it's, let's see. Yeah, okay. So these are some of those little, it's a cute little storage box, and then the baggie is full of ones inside. And so these are those cute little, I think they're mostly used for sewing, but they're really cute on paper craft projects too. So we got red and green for Christmas, red for, you can use birthday, Valentine, whatever. We got pink, white, black, and yellow. So those are the colors. So these are like a plastic little, kind of like a plastic safety pin. Super cute. So I thought those would be fun to make some projects with. So, and you get this whole big bag of them. Okay, and then they can all go in this little storage box that they came in, which is cool too, but I think I'll probably just leave them in here like this for now at least, to keep them more contained. So anyway, those should be fun. I don't remember how many, I don't know if it says it on here. Doesn't say it on the packing list how much is in it, but I will, like I say, leave all the links below so you guys can go check it out. Okay, next up I got these, which I thought were so cute. So they're a bunch of like chain links, and they come in all these. So these are all kind of what do you call it? They're kind of see-through. I don't know. So pretty colors, but they're like a see-through type color. I don't know what color, I don't know what word I want to use to describe those, but anyway, they're super cute. So there's like these little links that you can hook together or use them, just one or whatever, but that's what they look like. They're an inch wide, or long, I guess the longest point, and they're about an inch tall too, so they're about 1 by 1. So anyway, and it came in all these pretty colors. I'm super happy with the colors. So we got this one that's kind of a blue but has a purple tint to it also, and then there's this one that is definitely a purple, really pretty, and then there's a yellow. If I'm in frame to see, you guys see all those yellow, and then like a black and a clear. Okay, then we got this kind of turquoise blue, light color, really pretty. We got kind of a more of a medium green, grass green color, and then this really pale green color, really cute. And then it has this peachy color, and then we got like 3 shades of pink. So we got the really light one, and this is fairly light too. It's got a little bit of a peach tinge to it, but mostly pink. And then this one, this pink, it's kind of a more of a medium pink. Really pretty. So I thought those would be fun to use and make something out of. So excited to try those out. They had some other ones too that were, you know, a bunch of different colors too, but they were, you know, like the solid colors. So you could like see through them, but I like this one that were kind of the more clear colors. So that's why I chose that one. So there's that. And then the last item that I pick out came in this little box, which is always fun. You get these little boxes to keep them in, store them in. This ones are Lobster Clasps. They are a little bit, they are about, let's see, from end to end they're about 1 inch long, and probably about 1/2 inch wide. So anyway, they're Lobster Clasps, and they're a plastic, and they're in all these fun colors too. So there's a brown, and again they're the kind of the same as these little links. They're kind of the see-through colors. So that's a really pale yellow. It's really pretty. There's a clear. There's this kind of medium pink color, and then there's this paler pink. We've got a cute little orange. We've got this kind of medium blue, and then we have this real pale blue, and then this one is kind of a blue. It's kind of a blue, kind of a gray mix. Really pretty. And then we got red, and then we have this pretty lighter type green. It's not super light, but kind of a medium, but it's on the light side. And then we have like a neon bright green. Really pretty. So again, we got all the holidays covered here with blue, you know, Christmas stuff and Halloween stuff. And then just everyday stuff, pinks and that kind of stuff. So those will be fun to use too. So anyway, this is again my unboxing for all of the items that I chose from Beebeecraft to do some projects with. So I will be back with more videos showing what I used and how I used them. Okay, thanks so much for watching, everybody. Again, I'll link the website, and I'll link the also the individual items that I got too. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.